Hi all. Another little video update to let you know what's going on during all of the COVID-19 stuff. First thing is, we have actually been open right the way through the current situation. As a communications company, we are classed as a key company, and obviously we've needed to help keep other businesses working and keep all the broadband lines working so people can still access services such as online shopping, etc. But now we are open again, almost fully as we were before. Obviously we've not been doing any site visits to minimise contamination risk, and we've not been having anybody into the office. But as of today, we have everything set up, ready to accept people back into the office. We will be doing some home visits, so we'll talk about that first. Okay, so when we do a home visit, firstly, it will only be me. Everyone else is still furloughed, so it is still only me. But when I attend your property, I'll be wearing rubber gloves to ensure that my hands don't touch anything, I can't spread anything by touch, and these gloves get disposed after every visit and a new set put on. I'll also be wearing a face mask, which is much to protect me, but it also helps protect you guys, because obviously my whole face and respiratory system is covered, so I can't spread the infection. That said, we would still prefer, if possible, if people can come to the office. This is purely so we can manage the situation better and make sure everyone stays safe. Much easier. We have a few different things in place around at the office. We have 4 floor dots. One of these is by the door, where we ask people to stand when they come in and just wait until they're advised on what to do when they come into the office. We have a floor spot in the centre of the office that is actually 3 metres away from either of the seated desks to help maintain a safe distance. But the other thing is, a lot of our customers that come in and see us, especially in the residential side of things, are elderly, and we're aware you can't stand up for long periods of time, so we've also got a little floor spot by each of our chairs. Now, when you sit in the chairs by the desks, obviously you are closer than the 2 metre guidelines. There's only so much we can do about that because of the size of the office. So what we have done is fitted a big long screen along the length of the desk, so if anybody actually does sit down at the chairs beside the desks, there's a physical acrylic barrier in between you and us, again to help mitigate the chance of infection. We've got a huge cleaning policy in place. Obviously we used to just clean once a week. Lara comes in on a Saturday and does the clearing. At the moment we are wiping down every surface in the office with antibacterial spray. We're washing our hands at the start of every shift, lunchtime, end of every shift. But what we're also doing is using rubber gloves to handle any customer's products, and once finished, wiping the product itself down with an antibacterial wipe, and then changing the gloves and washing our hands again. We're going to keep trying to do as much as we possibly can to make sure everything's safe for you, but we just wanted to make sure that you are, valued customers, we won't be here if it wasn't for you, can see that we are trying to keep everywhere safe for you, and trying to create an environment where you can come in and have a look at us and get our help, not just buy new computers. A lot of you guys have held off for so long on getting all little niggles fixed. We just want to know now's the time you can come back in safely and get all those little problems addressed. There will be more videos as we update any processes over the course of the next few weeks and follow whatever guidelines are issued by the government. But until then, just know we're doing everything we can to keep everybody safe. Thank you.